Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be painting a sunflower and I'm just getting set up. This is the colors we're gonna use. You will need a small and big round brush. To start off with this painting, I will sketch the center of the sunflower. Okay, so the center is done. Now I'm going to erase the harsh lines. Now I'm going to sketch the petals. I will start off with pointing out where I want the petals to go. And this is the way I've learned how to paint sunflowers. Okay, so the sketch is done. You can easily leave it as it is, or you can add more like I'm doing right here. Two brown colors. I'm going to put this color in the center of the sunflower. We will build up the center, so don't worry if it's not perfect. And now for the petals, we're going to mix some of the brown and some of the yellow. Keep in mind that the petals at the back of the sunflowers will be a little bit darker than the one at the front. And also remember to keep the petals pointy. That's why we are using a round brush. You could easily just have one layer, but if you want, you can add more. I'm doing 2 or 3 just to give it a little bit of a full-on sunflower look. Okay, so the petals at the back are done, and now we're mixing a lighter color and more yellow than brown. So now keep adding the petals between the gaps, between the dark petals. Once you've done those petals, mix a lighter color from the one that we just used and add the petals at the front of the sunflower. Now I'm adding another layer which is a bit more lighter than the previous one, and I fill the gaps, the white gaps between the petals. And now it's time to work on the center of the sunflower. So I've picked up the smaller brush and I mixed the brown together and I added a little bit of the black color. Okay, instead of painting it like you would normally do, I dab the color into that center so it gives a nice texture. And now I'm going to mix a different color, different shade of brown with some yellow. I do this because it gives the center a little bit of a dimension. here's a little tip for you. If you don't want to have harsh edges, all you need to do is dab the paint into the paper, just like I do it here, and there'll be no harsh lines. Now I'm adding a little bit of yellow into the center. At this point you can just leave it as it is, but